Hello guys, welcome back to again for today's session, right? So I hope all of you doing fine, keep on learning, keep on growing. So today's session we are going to discuss very interesting topic in Excel. So Excel में आज आप लोग text function पढ़ेंगे. So we are going to learn the text function in Excel. So again, like I told you short case today, for merge and center. So Alt H MM you have to press to merge. So I'm writing a heading text function in Excel. Okay. So how we are going to work on the text, how we are going to use the text, how we are going to convert in different format as per the requirement. अपने requirement के according आप उसे कैसे use करेंगे. So how we go for this, let's see. So first of all, we are going to make a one data set, a small data set. And for border, I told you shortcut alternate HBA, all border. And here I take it like a serial number, where we define the serial number. Okay. And after that here I will take the name, a student name, one bracket, name here, suppose I given here Ankit Singh, here I given Aman Kumar. So same we can just enter the name with the said name. Pooja Yadav, Nilesh Kumar, Deepak Singh. So I've taken some name here. Okay. Let's write the function name like a trim. What I'm going to do, I'm going to explain you. First, write the name of the column, trim, upper, lower, proper, and here we're going to left, right, mid, and length, which are going to find the length, replace, search. Okay, so I will select Control Shift right arrow, Control B. So let's see how we go for this. Okay. So what trim doing basically? Trim used for remove the unwanted space, extra space from the text. Suppose my text like this. I have a unwanted space in my text, like in middle, somewhere in beginning of the text. Okay, like this. Like this you have to use. So once you have like this, you have to use the trim. So trim remove unwanted space को ये remove करता है. Okay, let's do it. Equals to, I will write here, trim. You can see the text here. Select the text, close the bracket, enter. Now you can see guys, unwanted space removed. Drag it, it will apply to the rest of them, as you can see. Same as going for the upper, equals to upper, tab, text. Same text I select. So upper convert all in capital letter, as you can see, all converted capital letter, simple, drag it. आप इसे drag कर देंगे, it will apply to the rest of them. Again lower equals to lower, tab it. Again I select the capital one, so it will convert to the small one. That would be best. Again आप फिर से इसको drag कर लेंगे नीचे below. It will apply to rest of them. Same as go for the proper. See proper what happened? A first letter going to be capital, like Ankit A capital and Singh S capital. So proper equals to proper term, like this. Enter. Simple drag it. So as you can see, guys, Ankit as capital, Singh as capital, Aman A capital, Kumar A capital. So first letter going to be capital, rest of the small. Left equals to left. See the parameter, two parameter text, number of characters. So I have to select the text first, comma separated, number of character. I mean, आप लेफ्ट से कितना डिजिट देखना चाहते हैं, right? Suppose 2, 3, so I have to use, I given 3, enter. So you can see 3 digit out from the left hand side. Again, I will drag rest of the out. सबके सब आ जाएंगे, you can see. Again, right equals to right. आप right लिखेंगे. Same text, select the text and number of character. Suppose I given 2. So you can see 2 will out from the right hand side. You can see. Fine. Again, same made equals to made. So say text start number and number of character. So I will select the text. Number you want to start from where? Suppose in Ankit, suppose I start from 1, so it will start from where? A. In Ankit, suppose I start from 2, I given 2, so it to start with 2. I mean N. Okay. So I given 1, comma, number of characters, suppose I given 4, close the bracket, enter. See in Ankit, A N K I T. So you can take from middle, even you can take from beginning, where from you given the position, it will out. Okay. Again, we drag it, it will apply to rest of them. Again, I'm going for the length of the text equals to len, tab it, select the text. So length function, guys, also count the blank space between the text. So you can see 11 here, right? This also count the space between Ankit Singh here. You can see Ankit and Singh. So it's also count the blank space. Okay, simple drag it. Again replace. Again equals to replace. We go for the replace here. Okay. Tab. So read the parameter here, guys. Old text. Okay. Start number, number of character and text. Okay. See, always these the parameters. What is the parameters given here? You have to read it. So you don't need to just learn the formula. You have to try to understand the parameter inside the formula. That would be helpful. Old text. So I select the old text here. Again, comma. Start number. Wherever I want to start, you have to start. Suppose I given 1. Again, comma. Number of characters. Suppose I given 3. Again, new text. So text always given double quotation. Suppose here I given DK student, close the bracket, enter. So here you can see replace with the DKS 3 digit in the starting. You can see. Same way go for the search equals to search. Search means what? You want to find out, right? That is called search basically. So find the text. So suppose in Ankit, I want to find A. It's a string double quotation, comma, within text. So this is your text. Again, comma, we're going to be here. A start number. Okay. Within text start number. Suppose I given 1. Simple drag it. You can see in Ankit Singh here, the A existing number 1. In Aman also 1. In Pooja, A existing in the 5 position. And Nilesh Kumar, so you can see Kumar A coming the 11, right? And again Deepak Singh is just coming on the Deepak A 5 position. So this is where you can search the text, which number is existing. Okay, guys. So this is all about your text function. We are going to continue in the next video. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.